Hello everyone, this is Hector Vietara of Lenarvi Realty. In this video, we want to talk about elements or things that you need to take in consideration when you are looking to choose a right location for your house or your home. It's very important to take your time. Number one, you have to consider what are you looking for, what do you like, what is the desired lifestyle that you're looking for. You gotta look for the neighborhood. You gotta see what is something that excites you about the neighborhood. You don't want to go to a place that is not made for your personality. Make sure that you drive by the neighborhood, evaluate the property, see the condition. Is that something that needs, especially if you're if you have kids, what type of school you're looking for, and at the end, you got to take your time to make the decision. Very important. So those are the elements that we want to be covering. And first of all, going one step at a time, make sure that the location that you're looking for is according to your lifestyle. What I mean by that is you like to have fun, you like to go to the park, you wanted to know you got to keep in mind that that's the lifestyle that you're looking for, something that you might feel that is good. Like if you like to restaurant, you like to have fun, you like to it's close to the park, beaches, and all the stuff. That's part of your lifestyle. You have to keep that in consideration when you are making a decision. Analyze the neighborhood. There are many websites that will tell you. Also, you can have a really good real estate agent to give you some update about trends, population, employment. Make sure that you feel comfortable, that you like the neighborhood. I don't want you to go and you say whatever it is, whatever, I figure it out. No, this is very important decision, crucial decision that you're going to have, that you need to have everything planned out. You have to cover all your bases. And checking the neighborhood is one of them. Checking what is the neighborhood look like day and night. What's the segment of the population? Make sure that is according to what you want or what you like. And going to the next part is that you need to see once you choose a certain location, then you gotta go specifically to the house. What I mean by going to a house, meaning that you have to see the home, make sure that have enough bedroom, enough bathroom, that covered your need, that you like the house, that you feel welcome into the home, has the right setting, the right needs. And if you have kids, make sure that you're gonna keep in mind that you're gonna have at least one extra room, just in case whenever something changes, you have family members that come to visit you. You gotta have that in mind from the beginning, so you know that you're not gonna be saying 1 year, 2 years, oh, I want to sell the house or something like that. You're gonna plan ahead. Obviously, if you just wanted to just get into something, that's a different story. But my recommendation is always to double check the condition, location, and qualities, and all the thing that is going to make you happy in the new home. Keep in mind that it's one of the biggest investments you're going to be in your life. You're going to be making in your life, and this is why I recommend you to take that into consideration. Check what is good in the neighborhood, what amenities, what park, what amazes, what can you do that you have fun. School district, especially you have kids, you want to search for school. There are some good website in neighborhood will tell you the population, crime rate. You gotta investigate. I'm very excited about when someone tell me I want to buy a home. I want to tell them to do the research. I want them to be happy, because sooner or later, or they want to buy, want to sell, I want them to keep me in mind. And many of the time I tell people to investigate for themselves, but also having a good real estate agent on your side is always really good. And just so you know, here in RB, we have like 40 agents, including the broker, which is me, ready to help you. More than 20 years experience into the business. And I'm really excited because I have passion for this. I enjoy what I do, and I love what I do. So in conclusion, I want you to, in conclusion, I want you to take your time, but also keep all those points that we covered in mind. You gotta study the neighborhood, check the school system. Why, ask yourself, why am I happy in this location? Try to check the amenities, try to investigate, but take your time, but don't go too crazy. Once you find what you feel good, that you say, this is the one, you pull the trigger, because if you feel the good energies, you feel warm, as you enjoy the setting, same thing is going to be for somebody else. So, long story short, thank you for watching. If I didn't cover something, or you want me to talk about any other topic, I am more than open to work with you, or come by the office or call us. My name is Hector Villatora from RB Realty. My number is 631-617-5135. We look forward. We have a very strong team. We're open 7 days a week, and we're happy to help you. Thank you very much. I look forward to see you.